I wanted to share a little bit with you about the choices that you have in this Del Webb Sunbridge community. And really, truly, there is something here for everyone. The house plans go down to as little as 1,600 square foot duplexes, which do make a wonderful situation either for a single person or somebody who only wants to use the home during the winter months. We're seeing people that buy those specifically for that. And then the sizes of the homes go up from there, all the way to 3,200 square feet that people who are still working use part of the home for the office, or they have the upstairs loft for when the grandchildren come, or plenty of individual private spaces so that when you do have those visitors, there's room for everybody. Truly, it is, they have floor plans that really kind of suit every need. And in addition, all of the floor plans are very flexible. You can make changes to the structure when you purchase. That would include like bay windows on the front of the house, extending the lanai out back, changing the windows into sliding doors, adding recessed ceilings above, personalizing and adding different light fixtures or different styles in your kitchen. Anywhere from the standard range to a gourmet kitchen like you see in this house here. There are so many choices and options. Now, I do suggest that you have a guide in a real estate agent to go through that process. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does have somebody with the knowledge and experience to help you be aware of the choices you might have and the way to make those choices.